We are going to be looking at forex trading, all you need to know about forex trading. As a complete beginner, this video is going to help you to know everything you need to know concerning forex trading. In case you have been looking for a place to know how to start in forex marketing, this is the channel that you need right now in order for you to get started and get the best out of every of your forex journey. Remember, 1% people, 1% of every 100 is the people that are making it in the forex market. So you need adequate information in order for you to excel in this market. So let's start from the forex and how the forex came into existence. So as at the forex market, as at 1970, it was known to be what trade by barter, where people were exchanging something for the other, in which they will tell you that somebody gave the other person a pair of shoes and the other person gave him a shirt, the other person gave him something like a bag, and you give the person maybe something like a shoe for an exchange. People were exchanging something for an exchange of something else. So it was more of they were exchanging something for something. So that was what they were doing as at 1970, and that was trade by barter as at that time. So now in our own generation, we have what we call a comparison between two currency. That's what we call what forex trading. Forex trading is just about buying and selling of two currencies, and it's the largest financial market in the world. So forex market, is the largest financial market in the world, which have over $5.3 trillion done every day. So it has over 5.3 trillion daily transaction daily. So to tell you how big this financial market is the biggest in the whole world. It's the biggest in the world, and the forex market opens from Monday to Friday. That is, it happens 5 days in a week. So if you are going to do forex market, you should be expecting from Monday to Friday in order for you to execute all your trades and get off the market. So forex takes from Monday to Friday, and we have the currencies like the CAD, we have the US dollar, we have the GBP, which is Great Britain pounds, we have the Czech, which is Switzerland franc, we have the EUR, which is the European rand, that is the JPY. We also have the JPY, which is the Japanese yen. So in the forex markets, there are things you need to know. There are things you need to know as someone that is starting up. In the forex market, that is the only market that's when you are buying, you are making gain. When you are selling, you are also making gain. So how can you be able to be profitable in this market if you are not able to get the right information? So in the forex market, we have two things that will help us to know how the market is going. We have what we call a fundamental analysis. What is fundamental analysis? The fundamental analysis are those analysis that you do, as the name implies, is the analysis that you do regarding to the fundamentals of the market. So when we talk about fundamental analysis, we are talking about the news. Like now, for instance, now if the country news has a bad report concerning the country, we know definitely it will affect the currency of the country. So we are predicting, or we are saying that this country's economy or its currency is going to be weak. So that's what we call fundamental analysis. Like for instance, now when you hear a news concerning the United States dollar, and you hear something like they are telling you that there is a decrease in the employment rate of the United States. So you will be someone that will be saying at this time, definitely there will be a decrease in the dollar, thereby the dollar will be weak. So you look for another currency pair, which might be the Great Britain pounds, which might be CHF, or which will be JPY, in order for you to pair with it if those ones are strong. So you can also either go for buy or you can go for sell. So that is how you work with this forex market. So you use those informations at your disposal in order for you to know whether you are going to go for a buy or whether you are going to go for a sell. Remember that you do your what we call fundamental analysis, and then that's where we talk about technical analysis. What is technical analysis? Technical analysis are those analysis that you do with your charts. One of the charts we use, or one of the platforms we use, is TradeView.com. We use it to do our analysis in the market because it helps us to do what? To have the great view of how the market is moving. You know, we have three types of trade. we have three movements in the market. We have the uptrend, we have the downtrend, and we have the consolidation level. So with this technical analysis, it helps you to know whether the market is going up, is going down, or is on the consolidation level for you to wait for the market to move in order for you to have a direction of the movement of the market. So this is what you need to know. And the people that are participating in this market are the central bank, the brokers, the bank, the spectators, and the individuals, which me and you, we are among those individuals, but we don't move the market. The people that move the market are the bankers and the central banks. So they are the ones that move the market. And also, when you are comparing to currencies, you should know that we have what they call the base currency and we have what they call the code currency. The first currency becomes the what? The base currency, then the next one becomes what? The code currency. So whenever you see two pairs, you see something like maybe you see USD JPY. So USD being the first currency becomes what? The base currency. Then the next one that comes after it becomes the quote currency. Then we have what we call the pips, we have what we call the pipettes, we have what we call also the stop loss, we have what we call the take profit. So in this channel, I've made it so easy for everyone to understand forex market and forex trading. So if you are someone that like going into forex, that we want to go into forex as a means of livelihood or something that you want to do for a lifetime, don't fail to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell, because this channel will be a channel at which you get every videos concerning your trading journey. And all those videos that you go to pay money online or pay $1,000, pay $500 for someone to teach you, everything will be done for you here in depth. Just all you need to do for me now, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, and comment below this video what you think that any question that you have. Just comment it at the comment section. I will be there to answer every one of you. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye. Peace.